Group 8. Our name is EV Decoder, and our handling challenge 8, which is predicting the interest on electric vehicle demand based on interest for the power network infrastructure investment. So for our purpose is to predict the surge on the local electricity demand by a new electric vehicle purchase. And our idea is that actually the electric vehicle purchase doesn't necessarily indicate there is a power demand. And the distribution of the charger may be a better indicator. And also we have more open data for the charger. So, and for example, there is a government grant scheme which show the distribution of the electric vehicle charging, and also there is a real-time map for the electric charger. So for the commercial application and the benefits, we can have a dashboard to show the trend of the electric charger, how it changed over year, and we may project it to the future demand. And it also visualize the density of the electric charger, easier to know the need. Yeah.
So basically what we are trying to do here, we have collected data from government.uk website. After collecting the data, we converted the data into the CSV format. Like the data were in different format, one was in TSV format, one was in ODS format. So we converted the data into CSV format. After converting the data into CSV format, we used Python for the cleaning, pre-processing and integrating the data from different sources. After cleaning the data, we saved it into a CSV format and used that CSV format data to visualize using Power BI. So we are using Power BI application for visualization, and we used machine learning for algorithms for predicting the data, predicting the number of charging point devices.
So with the data, we were able to build some Power BI maps which show plots where the charging devices are by region. So we can see that in 2016 there was like fairly even spread of charging devices, and as we go year by year, we can see that there's more and more increase in charging devices in the southeast. So we can predict that possibly that more demand will be mainly in the southeast. And there's one more map which shows how the percentage change in charging stations from 2019 to 2020 is quite even.
With this, we come with future challenges, and that raises few questions regarding that. If we want to automate this process, how can we move ahead? The first way will be using Power BI as a main source of tool, where basically we can leverage data from different sources, either it's from different database or different kind of files. Power BI can be used as a data modeler, where basically we do a data mining activities that basically cleans the data, do a pre-processing, create different kind of rules which will be get refreshed with the new data. That the same process can be done using Python. We can write methods or functions which can be called on any data set from any data sources, and that can be used to pre-process any kind of data files. Yeah, the next question, can we use any other parameters? As here we are using geography to basically see or get the insights how the trend will be in future. If you see the customer base or consumer base of our customers, where it's located, by seeing their economical status, we can basically analyze which areas or which locations will have more sales in future. And the last will be, can we predict anything with this historical data? Since we have just tried to represent what we have done with historical data, we can use this historical data and use machine learning method to get a future insights or future outcomes through this. Thank you.